Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how mipos point of sale works. So the icon looks like this, you can see. So you click on that icon if you want to open it. Okay, then it's gonna ask you for the username and password. In this case our username is man. Okay, and the password, you just click enter, then it goes in there. So password is gonna be okay, then you enter. See, if it's wrong it won't give you access. If it's fine, it's gonna give you access. Simply means it's wrong. So let somebody put it in there for me. Okay, look at the interface, very beautiful interface here. We're gonna navigate through. Okay, take out that, click that off. Okay, no wait, we're gonna look into, you can see there are a lot of icons here. So each icon, when you click it's gonna give you something else. You can see reports, we have reports there. We have account inquiry, transactions, reports, adjustments, stock take, print, barcode, self-label, reports, bill of materials, size groups, sync to website. Okay, so this simply means this software also, you can connect it to your website, then you sync and get items from there. If maybe you want to sell, you have your online store, you can use the same software to do what, to make a sale. So also you can see here suppliers, you can have your own suppliers here. You can have stock, your stock. You can have your backup, SMS and emails. It tells you about time and attendance, user maintenance, sales here. We're gonna go back here and say e-commerce and cloud. Say income statements, loyalty what cards, account inquiry, transactions, reports, lay-bys, agents, carton what, labels, inter branch. It's gonna be payouts, dispatch goods, email center, gift vouchers. Okay, hide menu. Okay, so we now pass into a lot of things. So we're gonna do what, click on main. We're gonna say click on what, stock. We go to file. If you wanna log out, you go there. So maintenance, stock maintenance, you can mouse roll over on that stock maintenance, then you go here, you click on that, so you can see the stock you have. So we have one stock here, black and white copies. So we're gonna put something else. I'm gonna add stock here, and I'm gonna say barcode is gonna be B. I'm gonna say color, it's gonna be CP color copy. It's gonna be CP copy. I want to make it a color copy because this is something like internet cafe. Color copy. It works for even bigger companies like ShopRite, like Pick and Pay, anything you want, any any organization has big, no matter how big it is, it's gonna be that. So cost price, we say it cost us 2 rand, and sale price, we set it 5 rand. Okay, so we leave that none, and once we're done, we can save that. You can also edit this afterwards. Say enter, update it. So we now have another item we're going to sell, color copy. You can see all of that. We have 2 items now. If you want to add another stock, you put another stock. What do you sell? Let me cancel this. What do you sell more? We're gonna say we have a barcode here. We're gonna sell what they call scan can say scan. We're gonna say scan. It should be color. That could be the description, but you can leave it one word or whatever. So here you can come and say include this cost price for scan. It's 4 rand. Selling price, it's gonna be 5 rand. Once you're done putting that, you can save this item. Now you say entry. Okay, so now you can see we have 2 items, 3 items. This software is very easy to use. You can cancel that, and you can see stock maintenance, department maintenance, tab maintenance, category maintenance. So you can play around all these things. You can manage to do all the transactions. This software, you can use it in your shop, in everything you can use it. So you can go to the stock adjustment here, stock take, stock transfer, move stock, bill of maintenance. So price lock up, stock reports, and print barcodes. So you can also print your barcodes here. Creditors, you can go to creditors. We have creditors here. Capture expenses. Let's go there. You can capture your expenses here. Creditors account inquiry, you put in all that things. So we might not pass through that, but we show you that this is a full point of sale, professional point of sale, and does a lot of things which we cannot even cover in this. We're gonna just mouse roll over on what it gives us. We can go back to stock. We saw stock maintenance or whatever you saw here, and we go to adjustment stock here, whatever you see. Price lock, you can click on price, stock reports, whatever. Okay, when you click on stock report, this is what you can get here. Stock master by warehouse, you get me. All of these are icons, they have their own use. So it's we're gonna do a video whereby we're gonna pass through much of the functionalities here, but for now we want to show you what it can do. When you go to creditors, it has a lot of capture expense invoices, creditors account inquiry, creditors transactions, okay, all of those things. Debitors maintenance, you can see all of that, laybys, and location maintenance, invoicing, debtor account inquiry, all of those. So we're gonna set to utility. You can say IBC settings, mipos command, financial what, bank accounts, agent payouts, all these things it does. This point of sale does everything here. So you can go to help, about, notice. So when you say expense capture, we're there already. And also once you don't get something on the menu, you can get it here back. See here, quit, log off, recent. Okay, something I have to go back here to that icon. So this software also, you can open a lot of accounts for each and every tailor, so you can know when you use it in the shop, you know who did what. So since we promising to do another video, so this one we just showing you just a brief to have a small understanding about how it works. Self label, you can click on each and everything. You can create your own self label and say BBC my net. Just, you can be quantity, maybe you can say we have 44, then you add that code, search by F, whatever, say code, let me say 1 2 3 4 77 78, we add that. Okay, new list, save list. Please add item to the list. Okay, I have to add this item to the list. Barcode, let me see. We have, I think, to create barcodes before we do this. Okay, let me go back and do something else. Okay. Guys, if you need this point of sale, you can, I'm gonna leave the number in the description below to do what, if you want to use this point of sale. We'll send you the link. You can comment in the comment box below, and then we send you a link. Once we send you a link, then you'll be able to download this point of sale, and then you do what, you start doing this. So if you want to sell, you can see what it does, what you do here. Cash name, cash sales, whatever. You can see, okay, description, whatever, code F3. Yeah, if you want a code, you press F3. You want to sell now. Wanna sell black and white copy, you can say 1, that's the barcode. Say 1, say copy. Okay, quantity, I want to sell 3. Price each is gonna be 1 rand. And then after that, then I can hit enter, 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 enter. He said press enter to name out the field. Okay, okay, now, okay, let me put 1. You see invalid account number. Do you want to add as new? Okay, okay, we add that as new. So Musa. This is the number you can call if you want this point of sale. It's gonna be 065 it's gonna be 741. You can contact us on that number. We're gonna use the cell phone number, same number. We don't have a telephone number. We're gonna save. Please enter telephone number. Okay, 0112622789. Okay, we save that. Okay, this has been saved. Then we say, after saving that, we say enter, enter, enter. We say cost below, above. Okay, we say item below, cost, price. Okay, we say I'm gonna put it maybe around 5 rands. Enter, enter. This now we managed to do our sale. The first one is listed there, so if you want to do another one, then you can do that. But anyway, that was just a brief to show you how things work. So now we're gonna exit here, and we'll make a video. So this was just an introduction to show you how the icons mipos has, and we're gonna make a good video whereby we're gonna show you how it works and how good it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to talk to us, also leave a comment in the comment box below.